Well, I just want to thank my fans. You're the best. Today, Nangomukanichida course and Angomukanichida baby, and then I started to speak with this lady, Fungai. I didn't realize Kitty, she is from Budirio, and well, we clicked, and oh my God, she started to praise my mom. I was blown away. My mom is my true love. Ashumba is my true love. So whenever a woman comes in my life and she's all over my mom, aninga pizza bora and nanatonyenga baby pie pie and yeah, it's me. I'm pansexual. Sometimes it's just like that. And thank you for loving me, guys. Thank you for embracing my crazy self, and I'll love you forever. And to Fungai, welcome to the family, babe. This is us. This is the HOMWE family. This is, yeah, we love you, baby. I love you. Kisses.